Lawyers representing the Independent Commission of Investigations (INDECOM) began submissions today before the appeal court as they seek to take the dispute with the Police Federation to the UK-based Privy Council. The court is being asked to determine the extent of the entity's powers. More in this report.
The appeal court ruled in March that the Independent Commission of Investigations (INDECOM) did not have the power to arrest, charge or prosecute members of the police force. The decision has curtailed the activities of INDECOM, which now has to submit its files to the Director of Public Prosecutions for rulings. In making submissions on Monday, INDECOM Commissioner Terence Williams told the three-member panel of judges that the agency wants the law lords to settle the issue of whether he and his investigators have the power to arrest and charge under the INDECOM Act. He acknowledged that under the current statute, INDECOM does not have the power to prosecute. Mr. Williams further argued that he wants the Privy Council to settle the question of whether INDECOM can go beyond its investigative authority. INDECOM has applied to the appeal court to stay its judgment until the matter is settled by the Privy Council. However, this request is being vigorously opposed by the Police Federation. Lawyers for the Federation argued that while they agree that the Constitution gives INDECOM the right to apply to the Privy Council, they will challenge the application for the stay. The hearing continues tomorrow. Vashon Brown, TVJ News.